Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. I just wanted to go over what's due for the week and show you in Canvas. So week 2 is due June the 13th, and let me double check. Today's the 6th, so June the 13th. We are going to continue this family member introduction discussion board. It's just a 2-week discussion, just so you have enough time to kind of interact with each other and get to know each other a little better. Okay, so this week also, you're going to continue Chapter 2 module. You have the class videos for Section 2.5 and 2.6. There's also a study guide in MyStatLab. So first you need to complete these homework sections because the test will cover Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. So you'll do the study guide and then you'll take the test. So I would recommend trying to get that out of the way earlier in the week. Maybe take the test by Friday if you want to. If you want to wait and go ahead and do the rest of the homework, you can do it that way too. But just make sure you plan out enough time to get all of that done, because that is a lot this week. So let's look at the modules and kind of go over where everything is. The discussion board is in the important course information module. So don't forget about it. And then Chapter 2, you're going to do the learn and practice. The videos are here. There are several videos, and then the homework, and then 2.5, sorry, not 2.4, 2.5 and 2.6. There is a Chapter 2 Kahoot that might help you with some of the concepts, but to prepare for the test, the study guide will prepare you for that. You're going to take your test in MyStatLab. Chapter 3, you're going to start on, you have your PowerPoint and the lecture, and you have 3.1 and 3.2. So it is a lot this week, so I highly recommend you to start early. You can even work ahead if you want to. That really helps if you can try to work ahead. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great week.